Hey guys, it's MIXEDSHAYYY, back again with another YouTube video. It's currently 3:45 in the morning, so I know I sound tired, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a hair tutorial for my first time doing box braids. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye! Okay, so I'm only showing you guys a little bit of like what I'm doing, but I'll update you guys on the rest of it. Alright guys, so I just finally finished the front two sections. It is currently 3:26 a.m. Sunday, and I started Saturday at like 9 o'clock, and then I went to go eat out before I finished my hair. So this is what it looks like for this these two sections right there in front. All I had to do was boil them and like cut them a little bit because they look a little rough right now, as you see. But I just finished like braiding the front, and I'm gonna have my mom's section in the back for me. Whenever she wakes up in the morning, I know it's like 3 in the morning. She's like probably like once we like I get up, probably like after 8:30 at like 9, maybe 10 when I get back from laundromat. She can start back in the back of my hair. All she has to do is section it in 18 sections, and all I have to do is press limit. But I got one pack left. I did these with 2 packs, so I think I might need another pack for the back. So I might be able to do one pack for one section, but then I might need another pack for another part of my section. I'm trying to stretch it out, but I want to stretch it out to where it makes sections like, if I stretch them out and make my sections look different, they're going to be like different sizes, and these braids are already small. If I go any smaller, it's not gonna look right. Just to have all my whole head done. I'm not worried about having my whole head done, I'm worried about having the front done. The back I'm kind of concerned about too, because I feel like I'm not gonna have enough, because it's 18 each section, and these, for all of these, there's 18 right here, and there's more than 18 I think over here. And I still didn't finish like some of these, like 1, 2, 3. I still didn't put in 3 braids. I'm not gonna open my 3rd pack, because then I'll be using 3 packs for the front. That means I need 3 for the back, and I'm not going to get my money until like after 8:30 in a couple hours. It's like 7 hours. I'm gonna do laundry and get money for that. I'm trying to go, but even if I get the money today, that means I need to go out there. I need to go out there though to the shop or to 7 Mile. Go out and get the hair today. And if not today, let's go tomorrow with Mom, because I got $5, $2 to catch the bus. Not a rush hour. And if she doesn't have money, I'll pay for her. So I'll have money for her, money for me to get on the bus, and $1 left. Costs $1 for a pack. They should just give me money. My parents should just give me money for the hair, because $5 is not gonna be enough, and I need Mom to come with me because I don't know how to go home from the bus. So yeah, but that's the plan, guys, and I'll update you guys on my hair. Alright, hey guys, update. I'm 3/4 done with my hair. I put my hair in 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and I just like got done with my 3rd section, and I don't think I have enough hair for the 4th section, so I'm gonna go probably buy some more. But I will update you guys on when I'm done with my hair, like when it's all the way done and like dipped and, you know, looking clean, because I know right now it doesn't look the best. But yeah, today is Monday, February 11th, 3:33 p.m. So yeah, you would think that I would be done by now, but because I didn't start on Friday like I should have, I'm not done. So I'll probably be done like probably by tonight or like tomorrow. But yeah, I'll keep you guys tuned, and I hope you guys I hope you guys don't bro, my best friends like looking at me on the phone or we're on FaceTime. So yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah. Oh, say hi to my YouTube channel. Mariah. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Yeah, that's my best friend. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the update on the final look of this. I know I look raggedy. I'm breaking out right now because it's still, look at this right here. I'm breaking out right here. It's getting worse, or it's not getting better. It's not shrinking up, none of that. I'm breaking out here, my nose, on my forehead, and right here, which I never broke out. I haven't broke out in a long time there because I don't know. But you can already see me, you know, acting different because I'm getting my hair done. I don't know how to act. I'm already starting to pull my hair back like I'm sassy, like I'm sassy. Whoa. I don't know. I don't like it on my face, so I keep doing this. I keep like I'm the sugar honey iced tea. But yeah, if you guys like and enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's MIXEDSHAYYY out. Hey guys, so update on my box braids. They turned out great. I finished them yesterday, last night around 12 a.m. this morning, and today is February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. I finished. There was just so much going on, and the person that was supposed to get my hair couldn't get it until yesterday. So I finished yesterday, last night. And yeah, and I just like dipped and burned my ends. So yeah, kind of letting them, I'm letting these like, because after I did that, they drip a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I dipped it and burned them. This is my first time doing box braids, and this is how it turned out. I've gotten positive comments on it so far. There's only one negative comment this morning. Somebody said I was asleep. Well, I wasn't really asleep. I heard them say something negative. That didn't affect me at all. I was like, oh, okay, oh well. But this is how they turned out. I know the parts are not even. Obviously, my first time, I'm not gonna care about my parts. I was caring at first, but then I was like, if I waste my time, you know, make sure the parts are perfect, then I'll never get done. So I just ended up doing it like this. And if you're wondering how I did the back, I had help, obviously. So yeah, but yeah, this is how it turned out. This is how they turned out. You know, not the best looking or whatever. You know, I burned the ends, so and I cut them, and I dipped them. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me doing box braids on my hair for the first time. Comment down below if this encouraged you guys to want to do something like this to your own hair, or some type of style like this to your own hair, because personally me, I've always wanted to try to do my own hair with like weave or something, and like a braiding hairstyle. I just never thought that I'd be able to do it or understand it. But I tried it and I was able to do it, and I was like, oh, you know, I was actually able to do it. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below any more videos you want me to post on my channel, and bye.